You ready to go? Mm-hmm. Oh. All ready.
We are on the move today.
We're taking the, what's it called? Argo wilis panoramic train today. I'm so excited for this.
We splurged.
Yeah, we splurged big time.
This is a big train station.
Yeah.
Bigger than I thought.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if this is the right way. Okay, this is not the right way.
How do we get to 5? Platform 5?
What's your train?
Argo wilis?
Argo wilis?
Not here
After
yet?
this train.
After this one?
Okay.
Will it be on this track?
Bandung.
Yes.
This is 4 and 5.
Okay, so after this train leaves,
After
then...
this train, Argo wilis.
Okay. This has to be one of the loudest train stations that I've ever been to in my life. The non-stop noise. Oh, you think you get 2 seconds apiece, but
Yeah.
the panoramic train has like huge windows all over the car and then huge windows on the ceiling, so you can see like 360-degree view pretty much of the landscape. So
We've been so excited for this ever since we booked it, and we definitely splurged quite a bit on it. There were cheaper tickets, but we saw panoramic and we got, what's the word?
Yeah.
We got persuaded.
no AC in here, just fans. There is massage chairs. Here, you can get one for free.
I'm so sweaty. Please don't touch me right now. All I heard is sweat.
KA 672 di jalur 2 sinyal keluar semboyan 6 diizinkan berangkat.
No idea. I don't know which car.
Does it say on the thing?
It just says 10-1.
Maybe it's back.
Panoramic 7 panoramic.
Wow, look how big these windows are.
Yeah, it's got the roof windows.
We're the splurge
Heck yeah.
already. I think our tickets were like 50.
Yeah, it's 50.
I think they were like $50. But it is like a 6.5 hour train ride, which that is still very expensive for a train, but this is so cool. No regrets.
Seat's comfortable too. I'm not falling asleep though. I'm not falling asleep on this
I'm
one.
staying awake every minute.
Yeah, I'm staying awake.
You have to get your money, sir.
Dining service.
Did you know that we got that?
No, I didn't have any
I didn't
idea.
know we got anything. We got a whole box of something.
I think it's food. Maybe it's a gift. It's like a little baked muffin. Yeah, it's a popcorn chicken. Just kidding. It's not popcorn chicken.
I was like, is that what it is?
Oh no, it is popcorn actually. I didn't realize we would be getting all this food. This is like first class, baby. They knew I needed some hydration. They got coconut water too. And le mineral. Wonder if they come around with champagne later.
I doubt it.
You really don't go hungry on the train. They brought a whole nother box lunch out. I'm thoroughly impressed. Thoroughly impressed. They outdid themselves.
This is the most beautiful train ride I think I've ever been on.
Yeah, there's so many like palm trees and banana trees, and it's just so green.
Whenever we're traveling and you see so many like beautiful things, and I get emotional like pretty easily. But anytime we see nature like this, it just makes me like, I don't know, I always get like emotional because like it's just so beautiful. The world is so beautiful.
Yeah. I have not slept yet, and I'm not going to sleep the whole time because I'm looking out the window. It's just like it's just never, it's like never ending.
I can't miss this.
Thank you.
Cappuccino, cheers.
Oh, it's really hot.
It's only appropriate to have a cup of Java as we're going across Java. they go around and ask anyone if they want to sing karaoke. So you can get up there and sing karaoke. I'm about to volunteer. Isn't she lovely? Every time I hold her hand, late in the evening. Okay, just kidding. That's it. I don't know the words to the song, but I'll say yes. I feel wonderful tonight. Well, we've made it to our Airbnb. I call it Airbnb because there's someone's the previous person's hair in here.
Oh my god.
Well, it's true. It was dirty. It's like we came in here, someone else's hair was already in here. Airbnb.
At first I thought I misheard you. I was like, did he say Airbnb?
Yeah, I said Airbnb.
Anyways, we had a great day.
But I think we're gonna go to sleep now.
Yeah. In our Airbnb.
Yeah, in our Airbnb.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. See you next time. Does that mean the train's coming?
I have no idea.
The longest intro song I've ever heard.
Intro.
Like this is like a play, I feel like.
This is the train intro song. Actually, I don't know.
Are we in a movie? This is like Murder on the Orient Express. Or is it Oriental? Orient Express. I'm feeling a little sick. Helps. Makes me, when I sniff, it just makes me think of Thailand. What do I have? Looks like I got some on my head. You see that? It's like gray. I'm graying. What is that?
I think it's just where the light. I think it's just.
It doesn't look like that, right?
Let me see. I think it's just where the light.
The stress getting to me. Just